Did it a ton in high school, gets great reactions. Basically, you just need a deck of cards. It can be borrowed, go to a party, borrow the cards. And this is the setup. Basically, you take the cards, and as you're shuffling the cards, you're gonna glance at the bottom card. That's gonna be what's called your key card. So as I'm shuffling, as soon as I stop, I just take a peek here. That's the 2 of clubs. Okay, so from the spectator's point of view, they just see the top of the cards. They don't know you're looking at I'm just peeking at the bottom card. So now I'm gonna say the 2 of clubs over and over in my head. I just wanna remember that card. So that's basically it. Now you're ready for the trick. Have the spectator pick a card, any card, doesn't matter which one. So in this example, it's gonna be the Queen of Diamonds. Now as they're holding onto their card, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do what's called a swing cut. Your index finger is just gonna come up to the corner and pull off the top section. These fingers are just gonna pinch and pull it in the other hand. Now ask them to place the card back there. So they're gonna place it back in the deck, and you're just gonna drop this section on top. So that key card, the 2 of clubs, is gonna be on top of their selection. So you throw it on top. You can kind of dribble the cards if you want, so to prove it's lost in the deck. From this point, you give the cards a few cuts. If you want, you can have the spectators cut the cards. Basically, it doesn't matter how many times you cut them, because that card is always gonna be next to their card, the key card is. So cut it a few more times. So from here, we're gonna start counting the cards on the table. Say, I'm gonna go through the cards. Don't tell me when you see your card again. I'm gonna try to find it. So as I'm going through, I start throwing them down. I'm looking for the 2 of clubs. Okay, so we start going through. Sometimes it takes a while if it's way towards the bottom of the deck. As in this case, it's somewhere way down there. Keep going through, and there was the 2. So I know this next card I lay is going to be their card, right there. And now what I do is I throw a couple more. And then I go, usually about 3 or 4 more. I go, I bet you the next card I turn over is your card. I bet you $20. You can bet whatever you want. I usually never take them up on the, I usually never make them pay the bet, but it's just kind of fun. So I say, I bet you the next card I turn over is your card. They're gonna see their card, right here, the one that was after the 2, the Queen of Diamonds, on the table. Of course they're gonna wanna bet, because they think it's a sure thing, they think they won. So I say, I bet you the next card I turn over is your card. They're like, yes. What you do is you set this card down, turn over their card, slap it on the table. Now look at their reaction. All their friends are gonna be laughing and joking around. They're gonna be kind of upset. That's card bet, tons of fun. Do whatever you want with it, but enjoy it and have a good time. Thanks, see ya.